This is my Kenmore washing machine, and I got an F2 error, which is the pump was not working or was not draining, and thank God I didn't burn out the pump. I had to do quite a bit of work here. We had to take the whole boot assembly off, and it was full of junk, and had to disconnect the pump completely so I could clean it out. This Kenmore has a nice feature where there's a catch basin where you can clean it out, but mine, I had not done it in so long. It had a rusty nail, all kinds of junk in there, that money, a disintegrated penny, ballpoint pen. So we had to get all of that out of there, and this is just typical front loader. And below the bottom panel on this Kenmore, it's got this nice setup here. This is what makes me such a great real estate agent. I know how all this stuff in your house works, and not just washing machines, but other things too. So get to pull out your man card and fix this stuff without having to call someone to fix it.